This is a Saffron design that's getting built at Elanora on the Gold Coast. It's about 3/4 built, so it's at the fixing stage. This one's a Hamptons style, so it's a knockdown rebuild. It's replacing the old weatherboard brown brick house that was here originally. We'll have a quick look through. So we've got the living area here at the front entry. We've got a two-way fireplace, TV cabinet built in, and it's through to the living area here, which we've got obviously an island bench top, a butler's pantry, right through to the laundry. One of the best features of this house is just out the side here. So you've got a covered veranda with an outside kitchen, barbecue area just over here onto the swimming pool. We've used the linear board. So linear board is to create that old weatherboard Hampton style. One of the best things about it is it's a little bit thicker than some of the other products, and plus it's got concealed fixings. So each board covers up the fixing of the one previous. It's actually pretty quick and easy to put up. It's because it's a fibre cement, it only needs painting every 10 years as well. So it's very durable, straight, square, flush, and it's got the little beveled edges as well, so for the joins. You only have to screw underneath the windows and just putty them up with some linseed putty, but other than that, it's nice, seamless, clean look. And it's also a good idea to do a picture frame around the windows as well, just to kind of accentuate the windows rather than trying to hide the reveals. But nice chunky look. It comes with a whole range of products from James Hardie for the starting strips and the corner molds. We'll have a look down here. So down here we've got it's a rumpus room or a work from home office. It's got its own little ensuite, access out onto the the swimming pool area, and they've used the steg bar windows and doors which we normally use. This is a nice big stacking door. Plus they've recessed the bottom plate, so it just means it's nice and seamless going out from the floor coverings. This will be tiled going out into the outdoor living area. This area here is the double garage. It's a little bit messy at the moment. It's got all the skirting and architraves ready to go, which are getting put on today. They've used a nice colonial style skirting and architraves, and also a colonial style cornice. We'll have a look through. This is a downstairs bathroom or bedroom. So it's also got its own little ensuite with a cavity slider. It's all got the waterproofing done, decent size ensuite. And this house has obviously got the 2.7 high ceilings throughout. Okay, we'll have a look upstairs now. So upstairs is like a kid's retreat or a little playroom. Then you've got 3 bedrooms. Each of the bedrooms have got like a walk-in wardrobe. This is the smallest one, but it's still got a decent sized robe area. And here's another 2 up here. So you can see it's just fixing off the latches and the doors and everything here. So how many of these doors you put up today?
The doors?
Yeah.
5.
5 doors. So it's only lunchtime, well 11:30 now, so it's not a bad start. So there's another bedroom in there going out into the veranda. And then over here is the master bedroom. So these are Hume's doors. They're a hollow core door, but they're nice and strong and straight as well. And these are a French light door for that authentic sort of Hampton style look. And you've got little colonial bars above some of the windows as well. Walk-in pantry over here, walk-in robe over here. And then this is a decent sized ensuite. It's already been bedded in to create the fall for the flow of the water into the middle downpipe or down grate. Going to have double vanities and a big shower down the end.